Looking for the ultimate travel companion? Today we're showcasing 15 Amazon spinner luggage options designed for smooth travel. Whether you're jetting off for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, these spinner luggage pieces make every journey effortless. From durable hard shells to lightweight designs, each suitcase ensures convenience, security, and style. Subscribe now for more travel and techie reviews, and check the description for the latest prices and exclusive Amazon deals you won't want to miss. Alright, let's get started. Stay tuned to discover the best spinner luggage that will transform the way you travel.
Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On. The Samsonite Freeform 21-inch carry-on is built for travelers who value convenience and durability. With its sleek navy hardshell, this suitcase protects your belongings from bumps and drops while keeping a stylish look. The lightweight 6.5-pound design makes it easy to lift into overhead bins. Spinner wheels glide smoothly through crowded airports, reducing travel stress. Its expandable feature provides extra room for souvenirs or essentials, ensuring you never run out of space. TSA-approved locks keep your items secure while speeding up security checks. The compact size is Airline approved, making it the perfect companion for business trips or weekend getaways. Designed by Samsonite Corporation, this carry-on combines functionality, style, and peace of mind. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, the Freeform ensures smooth, stress-free journeys every time. Number 2. Amazon Basics 3-piece set. The Amazon Basics 3-piece hardshell luggage set is a fantastic choice for travelers who need versatility. This set includes 21-inch, 26-inch, and 30-inch suitcases, covering everything from short trips to extended vacations. The bright orange color stands out on baggage carousels, making your luggage easy to spot. Each case expands up to 25% for extra packing capacity, perfect for last-minute souvenirs. The hardshell exterior is scratch-resistant, keeping the set looking brand new after multiple trips. 4 multi-directional wheels ensure smooth maneuverability in airports and hotels. Despite the durable build, the set is lightweight, making it easy to lift and handle. Whether you're packing light or heavy, this set has you covered. Affordable, stylish, and practical, the Amazon Basics set is a smart investment for travelers looking for reliable luggage without overspending.
Number 3. Swissgear Scion Carry-On. The Swissgear Scion 21-inch soft-side carry-on blends practicality with modern style. Its black design offers a professional look that fits any occasion, whether business or leisure. At just 8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, with spinner wheels that roll effortlessly across busy airport floors. The expandable feature provides valuable extra space for souvenirs or essentials, helping you pack more without added stress. Multiple compartments inside keep your belongings neat and accessible, saving time during your travels. The durable fabric construction withstands the rigors of frequent use, ensuring long-lasting performance. Comfortable handles make lifting and carrying simple, while the compact size fits perfectly in overhead bins. Ideal for travelers who want a dependable and stylish carry-on, the Swissgear Scion offers the perfect balance of organization, durability, and convenience for every trip. Number 4. American Tourister Stratum 2.0. The American Tourister Stratum 2.0 in jade green brings a stylish edge to your travel experience. This large, checked luggage offers ample space for extended trips while keeping your belongings protected in a durable hardshell. Spinner wheels glide smoothly across terminals, so maneuvering through crowded airports becomes effortless. The expandable feature provides extra packing capacity for those longer vacations or additional souvenirs. Its striking jade green color makes it easy to identify on busy luggage carousels, eliminating the hassle of spotting your bag. Designed with durability in mind, it can withstand the bumps and drops of frequent travel while keeping items safe inside. A sturdy telescopic handle and secure zippers add to its reliability. Perfect for both leisure and business trips, the Stratum 2.0 ensures a combination of functionality, durability, and standout style for travelers who want convenience with personality.
Number 5. Tillamol 3-piece set. The Tillamol 3-piece luggage set is a great option for families or travelers who need multiple sizes in one package. Each suitcase features a durable hardshell design that protects your belongings from impact during travel. The smooth spinner wheels allow you to maneuver through crowded airports with minimal effort. TSA-approved locks add an extra layer of security, keeping your items safe while making security checks faster. The expandable design means you can pack more when you need extra space, making it perfect for long vacations. Its sleek black finish looks modern and stylish, suitable for both men and women. Built for convenience, these suitcases combine durability, security, and practicality. Whether you're heading on business trips or family getaways, the Tillamol luggage set delivers reliability and value, ensuring every journey is smooth and stress-free. Number 6. Cool Life 4-piece set softshell luggage set. The Cool Life 4-piece softshell luggage set blends lightweight design with functionality. Finished in a stylish blue and silver combination, it stands out in any airport. Each suitcase features durable softshell construction, offering flexibility without compromising protection. The lightweight build makes handling effortless, while the spinner wheels ensure smooth movement across various surfaces. TSA-approved locks provide added security, keeping your items safe during international or domestic travel. With 4 sizes included, this set accommodates different travel needs from short business trips to long family vacations. Interior compartments help keep belongings organized and accessible, reducing packing stress. Comfortable handles make lifting and carrying easy. Designed for travelers who want versatility and style, the Cool Life set offers durability, elegance, and practicality in one affordable package. It's an excellent choice for anyone who values both convenience and a polished look on the go. Number 7. Samsonite Omni 2. The Samsonite Omni 2 hard-side spinner in Nova Teal is a dependable choice for checked baggage. At 24 inches, it provides ample space for longer trips without being oversized. Its stylish teal color makes spotting your luggage quick and easy at baggage claim. Its durable hardshell exterior protects belongings from rough handling, ensuring everything inside stays safe. The expandable design allows for extra room when needed, perfect for souvenirs or additional packing. Spinner wheels provide smooth maneuverability through airports, and the lightweight build reduces travel fatigue. Inside, well-designed compartments keep clothes and accessories organized. Sturdy zippers and a strong handle add to its durability, making it a reliable travel partner. Combining practicality, style, and Samsonite's trusted quality, the Omni 2 ensures a smooth and stress-free experience for every journey.
Number 8. 90Go Large Checked Luggage. If you're looking for a suitcase that combines space, style, and convenience, the 90Go Large Checked Luggage is an excellent choice. Measuring 28 inches, this hardshell PC suitcase provides reliable protection for all your travel essentials. Its lightweight build makes it easier to carry, even when fully packed. What really stands out is the smooth spinner wheels, gliding effortlessly through crowded airports, train stations, and hotel lobbies. The expandable feature is perfect for longer trips, offering extra space for souvenirs or last-minute items. Plus, the TSA-approved lock keeps your belongings secure during flights, so you can travel stress-free. The Shadow Rhine Max Truller adds a sleek and modern touch, making it both functional and stylish. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, this suitcase is designed to keep your journey smooth, organized, and worry-free, a practical and stylish choice for frequent flyers. Number 9. Light Flight Luggage Sets. The Light Flight Luggage Sets are designed for travelers who want durability without the bulk. This 3-piece set includes 20, 24, and 28-inch suitcases, each crafted with a lightweight hard-side shell that's built to last. The spinner wheels make maneuvering through airports seamless and stress-free, while the TSA locks ensure your belongings stay safe wherever you go. These cases are designed to handle both short weekend getaways and long vacations with ease. What makes the set especially appealing is its versatility. You can use the smaller carry-on for short trips, while the larger options are ideal for extended travel. The sleek black finish gives the set a modern and professional look, perfect for family travel or solo adventures. With durability, security, and stylish design all in one, the Light Flight Luggage Sets are a smart investment for anyone who values both function and fashion in their travel gear. Number 10. Swissgear Scion Softside Expandable Roller Luggage. If you prefer softside luggage that's both durable and versatile, the Swissgear Scion Expandable Roller Luggage is a fantastic option. This 21-inch carry-on is built with reinforced handles, smooth zippers, and plenty of compartments to keep your travel items organized. One of the highlights is the expandable feature, giving you extra packing room when needed. The front pockets are perfect for quick access items like passports, boarding passes, or electronics. The smooth rolling spinner wheels make navigating busy airports a breeze, while the push-button locking handle ensures comfort and stability on the go. Swissgear is known for quality, and this suitcase lives up to the brand's reputation. Stylish, practical, and TSA-friendly, it's a reliable choice for both business and leisure travelers who want flexibility without sacrificing durability. A true travel companion that makes every journey smoother and more organized.
Number 11. Level 8 Grace X Carry-On Suitcase. For frequent flyers who value both design and durability, the Level 8 Grace X Carry-On Suitcase stands out. Measuring 20 inches, it's perfectly sized for overhead bins, making it a convenient choice for short trips and business travel. The suitcase features a sleek polycarbonate hardshell that's scratch-resistant and built to last. What makes it even more appealing is the smooth spinner wheels, providing effortless maneuverability through crowded terminals. The interior is thoughtfully designed with compartments and straps that keep clothes neatly in place during transit. With a built-in TSA-approved lock, you can travel with peace of mind knowing your belongings are secure. Its minimalist yet elegant design appeals to modern travelers who want both style and practicality. Whether it's a quick weekend getaway or a flight across the country, the Level 8 Grace X makes traveling easier and far more stylish. Number 12. Delsey Paris Titanium Hardside Luggage. The Delsey Paris Titanium Hardside Luggage is a premium option for travelers who demand durability and elegance. This 25-inch checked suitcase features a tough polycarbonate shell that's resistant to cracks and scratches, ensuring long-lasting performance. One of its best features is the integrated TSA lock, which keeps your belongings secure while meeting airport security requirements. Inside, you'll find multiple compartments and a zippered divider that make packing and organizing much simpler. The 4 double spinner wheels provide excellent stability and smooth movement, so you can easily glide through airports and city streets. Delsey's design is sleek and modern, with metallic finishes that stand out from the crowd. If you want a suitcase that combines strength, style, and smart design, this one is hard to beat. It's built to handle international trips, extended vacations, or business travel with ease. Number 13. Cool Life Expandable Hardside Suitcase. The Cool Life Expandable Hardside Suitcase is a great blend of affordability, functionality, and style. This 28-inch large suitcase offers plenty of packing space, making it perfect for long trips or family vacations. Its durable ABS and polycarbonate shell protects your belongings from bumps and scratches, while the expandable feature gives you extra room when you need it most. The smooth multi-directional spinner wheels allow effortless movement through airports even when the bag is fully packed. Inside, the suitcase has divided compartments with zippered sections to keep everything organized. It also includes a TSA-approved lock for added security. With its sleek gray finish and modern design, this luggage looks as good as it performs. Cool Life is known for offering reliable travel gear at a great value, and this suitcase proves that you don't have to spend a fortune for dependable, stylish luggage.
Number 14. Samsonite Freeform Expandable Carry-On. Samsonite continues to lead in travel gear, and the Freeform Expandable Carry-On is a perfect example of why. This 21-inch suitcase is designed for travelers who want lightweight durability without sacrificing space. The hard shell is impact-resistant, ensuring your items stay safe during transit. Its expandable design gives you extra room when needed, and the interior compartments make organizing your essentials simple and efficient. The spinner wheels roll smoothly in every direction, making it easy to handle even in crowded airports. Another highlight is the integrated TSA lock, providing both security and convenience. The clean, modern design of the Freeform makes it a stylish travel companion that fits in with any journey, whether it's a short business trip or a weekend getaway. Practical, reliable, and built to last, this carry-on is one of the best investments you can make for stress-free travel. Number 15. Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable International Carry-On. When it comes to luxury travel gear, the Tumi Alpha 3 Expandable International Carry-On is in a class of its own. Designed for frequent travelers and business professionals, this suitcase combines premium materials with outstanding functionality. The ballistic nylon exterior is extremely durable, resisting wear and tear while maintaining a sleek look. Inside, the compartments are intelligently designed for maximum organization, including garment sections and zippered pockets. Its expandable feature gives you added flexibility, while the smooth spinner wheels ensure effortless mobility. Tumi's signature design also includes a TSA-approved lock and a built-in USB port, so you can charge devices on the go. More than just a suitcase, it's a statement piece that reflects quality and sophistication. Perfect for international travel, the Tumi Alpha 3 offers style, security, and convenience all in one. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with fellow travelers. You'll find all the featured products linked in the description with the latest prices and exclusive deals. Got a favorite piece of travel gear or any questions? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, travel safe and stay smart.